Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to invest in Nigeria. Whew, Nigeria, our great country. There's nowhere else that I'll prefer to invest than invest in Nigeria. And in this video, I will tell you why investing in Nigeria is a great decision, and not just the why, but how to start investing in Nigeria. You and I have heard about Dangote, Tony Elumelu, Herbert Wigwe, this person or that person in Nigeria that has great investment, and as a result, they are billionaires. So in today's video, I will take you through a walkthrough of how to invest in Nigeria and how you too will become the next Nigerian billionaire. But just before we start, kindly like this video. It will mean a lot for my channel so that YouTube will push this video out to other people to view it. We are starting with the concept of business. You have heard about business, starting a business or doing a business. You understand the whole concept of a business. You can have a business of your own, or you're already working for another business for a company. Generally, we have two types of businesses. We have private businesses and public businesses. And private businesses means that it is not yet public. It belongs to a person or a group of individuals, and they don't trade their shares publicly. So if I start a business today and we choose to call it like this video business, now it's my business. I'm the owner of the business. I'm the entrepreneur. I'm the one that got the idea and started doing this business from a garage, just like most tech billionaires that started their billion-dollar business in their garage. So the business that you have belongs to you, and the business that I have belongs to me. And that's what we call a private business. Sometimes it can belong to a family. So this business is managed and owned by this family. It's also a private business. But if a business starts growing and growing and growing and growing, to actually grow a business, you need to get capital, you need to get money to keep growing a business. And most businesses borrow this money from banks. If you want to borrow 1 million naira from bank and your business is about 20 million, the bank will give you. But if your business is about 1 billion naira and you want to borrow like 7 billion naira from the bank will not give you that money because it's too much for them to give you. So what big companies do is to do an IPO. IPO simply means initial public offering. It's the process now whereby they can start selling the shares of the company to outsiders, to the public, so that the public will bring their money and they will give the public a part of that business. So when you buy a share of a company, you become part owner of that business. So what then is a share? A share simply means equity. It means part ownership of a company, of a business. If I buy Apple share, I become part owner of Apple. If I buy Dangote cement share, I become part owner of Dangote cement. So if I buy UBA share, I become part owner of UBA. It means all the employees in UBA are now working for me, technically, because now I am at the same level now with Tony Elumelu. So all of us are part owners in the business. So the more shares you buy, the more ownership you have. So someone that have 10% share, of course, has more ownership than someone that have 2% shares. So that's the whole idea of shares and stocks. What we call stocks is actually a collection of these shares. Let's say the total share of a company is 100%. So that collection is called stock. 100% is called stock. But if it's 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, we call it shares. A stock is just a collection of shares and they are used interchangeably. Now, why would someone want to invest in a company? Why would I want to buy First Bank share or Zenith Bank share? Why? Why should I buy their share and become part owner of the business? We know the benefit of having a business. The profit of the business comes to you. So if you buy First Bank shares for 10 naira and the business is doing well and they keep doing well, when you want to sell that shares, the value would have increased to like 20 naira. So imagine something that you bought for 10 naira and now you are selling it for 20 naira, which means you've doubled your money. Now, it looks as if it's a small amount of money because I'm saying 10 naira to 20 naira. If you buy a lot and a lot of these shares, let's say you are buying like 100,000 naira shares of Zenith Bank, and now after some months or after some weeks, what you bought for 100,000 naira has increased to 200,000 naira, has increased to 500,000 naira, has increased to 1 million naira. Congratulations, you are now a millionaire by smashing the like button. So this is the way it works, and this is why you should buy shares in a company that is doing well. So people do it in order to grow their money. Before, if you want to become rich, you start thinking of an idea. Which business will I start? Which business will I do? Which business will I start now so that I'll become the next Dangote of Africa? Or you start working hard as an employee. I want to work hard and become like Tony Elumelu, the chairman of UBA. But there's a smarter way of making money in our current society. You don't need to think of an idea. You don't need to work for a company. All you just need to do is invest your money in a company that's doing well. So all those people that go to 9 to 5 are working for you. Your own job is to buy their share. So once you buy their share, and as long as the company is doing well, their share price will most likely increase. And if it increases, you go and sell it. The way you bought it is the way you sell it. Then you take the profit. So which means all those 9 to 5, all those Lagos traffic that people do, going to conferences in order to have an idea, you are just in your house and you click a button, buy share, and yet you are reaping the benefit of all the businesses. Shares is very interesting, is it not? As easy as that. So your own job mostly is just to pick a good company to invest. That's your job. Which company now is doing well and will keep doing well? That is your only job. And you buy their shares. So if you buy 1,000 naira of their shares, you just have to wait for when the amount has increased to what you want. Some people wait for 2 months before they sell. Some people wait for 6 months before they sell. Some wait for 7 months, 1 year, 20 years before they sell. And once the price has increased, you can sell it. The profit is all yours. It's totally yours. And that is the good thing about investing in shares. And this is what we call capital appreciation. It means your money have increased. The capital you've deposited has increased. We are used to the concept of saving money in the bank. What's a bank? A place you keep your money. That's one idea. The interest that bank pays is very small. It's like 1%, 1.5%, 2% if the bank is generous. So the interest you get by investing your money in a bank is very, very small. If you put 1 million naira for 1 year, the interest you will get may be like 500 naira or 1,000 naira. That's not a good business for you. So, but if you put your money in shares, in stocks, that money can triple within 1 year. It can become 4 times, 7 times within 1 year. So you are putting 100,000 naira, and after 1 year, you are getting about 500,000 naira without working for the company, without doing anything. Your only job is just to buy the share. And once the money has increased to what you want, you go and sell it. It's not like you're looking for who you will sell it to or who you buy it from. The way you will buy it, just click a button. It's the same way you click a button to sell. And it's as easy as that. And the money will just land in your account. Boom. So this is how people become millionaires and billionaires in Nigeria. Tony Elumelu, Dangote, Herbert Wigwe, and several other people in Nigeria that you and I know to be rich. There is no medicine they are using. There's no charm somewhere. There's a charm in their house. There's no charm in their house. This is the charm. This is the secret of their wealth. Investing in stocks. Investing in businesses. So, if you are like me before, I used to scratch my head. Which business will I start now? Which business will make me now the next Dangote? Hey, stop scratching your head unnecessarily, except you want to. Go and buy Dangote shares. If you love Dangote cement so much, and all the profit they are getting, you will be getting it. They say that 80% of businesses fail in their first year. 80% of businesses fail. And in the first 5 years, 90% of businesses fail, which means most people that start businesses actually fail. I know you will not fail. But the truth is that there are companies that over the years have not failed. They have been doing well and they will keep doing well. GT Bank is not going away anytime soon. Access Bank has come to stay. So all these big organizations have come to stay. Hilton Hotel, you think that the building will collapse tomorrow? It's not collapsing anywhere tomorrow. So what you and I will do is to buy the shares of this company that's doing well, so that as the profit increase, our own share price will increase. And once it has increased, we go and sell it. Let me just give a general caveat. The only problem with investing is that as much as you can increase your money, you can also lose your money. And this major difference between investing and saving your money in the bank. In the bank, if you save your money, it will be there. 100 years time, the money will be there. 200 years time, the money will be there. But the benefit you get, the interest you get is very small. 2 naira, 5 naira, 10 naira. The interest you get is very small. But if you choose to invest your money, you are taking a higher risk, and therefore you have a higher reward and a higher return. Also, as much as you can double your money or triple your money with investing, you can equally lose all your money or some part of your money. That's why you have to decide if you really want to invest your money, or you just want to keep your money in the bank and it will remain there for you with little to no interest. If you are excited now about investing and you're like, yes, thank you, which companies now can I invest in Nigeria? On the screen now, I'll put a list of good companies that you can invest in Nigeria for a good return. But the general rule is that you have to do some analysis, fundamental and technical analysis, before you invest in a company. The key thing is that you are looking for a company that is currently doing well and will keep doing well in the future. I don't want this video to be long, so in another video, I will take you through a step-by-step analysis of all the things that you need to consider in picking a company to invest in Nigeria. But if you like this kind of content, as I'm trying something new, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that it will encourage me to put out more content like this on investing for you. So if you already know a company to invest like Zenith Bank, GT Bank, UBA, or Dangote Cement, you want to become part owner with Dangote himself, you can buy your share now from a stockbroker. The way that you go to a bank to save your money, you don't save your money under your bed now. You go to a bank and get your money to save for you. So if you want to buy this share or you want to sell the one you have, you go to a stockbroker. So a stockbroker is an organization that helps you to invest now or to sell your investment. A very good one is Stanbic IBTC. Another good one is Cardinal Stones. So you are looking for a stockbroker that is registered with Nigeria Stock Exchange and follow the rules of SEC, which is Security and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. I will also put a list of registered stockbrokers in Nigeria so that you and I can start our investing journey today. And you and I will be the next Dangote. And this is the secret of rich people in Nigeria. There's no other secret that they have. Some of them start their business. When the business has grown, they made it a public business and acquired most of the shares. So Dangote is not the richest man in Africa because his name is Dangote, but because he has majority shares in Dangote's group. So if you can buy into the company now, all the benefit that Dangote is reaping, you too will be reaping the same benefit. If you invest in Access Bank, you don't need to work for them. You don't have to work for them. All the profit that they get, that the CEO of Access Bank get by investing in Access Bank, you too will be reaping the benefit without doing 9-to-5 job, without stressing your life. Oh, Lagos traffic, Lagos hassle. No Lagos traffic, no Lagos hassle. Just invest and reap the reward. So if you want to know more about investing, this channel is all about investing. And I have more and more videos for you. So just like this one and subscribe to my channel so that I'll be pumping more and more to you. I will tell you everything you need to know about investing in stock market. Even when we are through with the stock market, we go to forex market. I got you covered. So smash the like button now. Hello, smash the like button and let's get started.